Hi guys, welcome back to Hand and Sand channel. Bindu here. Today I'm gonna do a starburst effect in pouring. So these are the colors I'm having and I'm gonna mention all these in the description box. So I'm doing this on 12 by 12 canvas. So yeah, let's get started. Now I'm adding black at the center. I'm going to pour gold around this one and red now, and after this I'm gonna pour all of the colors one by one. I'm pouring gold and also white in between the colors just to fill, and taking black at the edges. So now I'm using this torch to remove the air bubbles from the color. So I'm just pouring a little black color at the center and let's start blowing. So I see more gold, so I'm just adding a little bit of red and will blow. It looks too much black at the center, so I'm adding a little bit of red color like around, and I'm going to blow this red color. Let's take a closer look now. See how these beautiful silks pop out. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications and give us a big thumbs up. And also please share this video with all of your friends. See you.